Okay, adding integers. So we're going to take up adding integers. So there are ways in how to add integers. So using first is using the number line. So zeros to the numbers zeros to the right. These are the positive integers. And zero to the left, these are the negative integers. So to add a negative integer, you are in using the number line, you are going to move to the left. Then to add a positive integer, you are going to move to the right. Okay, let us say for example, negative 6 plus 4. So if we're going to locate 6, so negative 6. So negative 6 is here. So since our other addend is positive, so positive integer will go to the right. So positive 4, that is from negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer would be negative 2. Okay, next, negative 2. So negative 2 is here. Then you are adding a negative number. So if you are going to add a negative number, so you're going to move to the left. So from negative 2, how many you add negative 3? So you just move to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be negative 5. Next, so 5 plus positive 5 plus negative 7. So here is positive 5s. Then you add negative integer. So you are going to move to the left. So from positive 5, move 7. Okay, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer would be negative 2. Okay, adding integers using the absolute value. So it means to say, so if an integer is positive, the absolute value would be positive number, and the negative number, the absolute value is negative number. Okay, so adding integers. So if the integers have the same sign, the numbers are added, and the common sign is used to the sum. So we have here, so negative 6 plus negative 6, so they are all negatives. You just add the number 6 plus 9, that is 15. Then what is their common sign? That is negative, so we can say that is negative 15. Next, positive 3 plus positive 14, so they are all positive. So just add the number 3 plus 14, that would be 17. So that would be the sign is positive, so that would be positive 17. Okay, so if the integers have different sign, you're going to subtract the smaller number from the larger number, then use the sign of the larger number of the sum. Okay, so we have here negative 4 plus 6. So you're going to subtract the larger number to the smaller number. 6 minus 4, that would be 2. Then use the sign of the larger number. So the larger integer or number is positive. So that would be positive 2. Next, negative 8. 8 plus positive 2. So 8 minus 2, that would be 6. Then use the sign of the larger integer, that is negative 8. So the answer would be negative 6. Okay, this time they are going to discuss on subtracting integers. So to subtract integers, you just add the additive inverse of the subtrahend to the minuend. What do you mean by additive inverse again? So additive inverse is a number and its opposites. So if the number is integer is 7, so the opposite of the 7 is negative 7. So So here example 7 minus 11. So you're going to uh, add the additive inverse of the subtrahend. Where is subtrahend? Our subtrahend here is uh, positive 11. So you're going to add 7 plus the opposite of positive 11 is negative 11. So in adding integers, you just subtract the larger number to the smaller number. So 11 minus 7, that would be 3. Then copy the sign of the larger integer. So that would be negative, no, negative 4. 11 minus 4 is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. So that would be negative 4. So next, negative 6 minus 3. So the additive of inverse of positive 3 is negative 3. So you're going to add negative 6 plus negative 3. So they are commons, they have common signs. That would be, you're going to add 6 plus 3. So that would be negative 9. Next, so 4 minus negative 2. So the additive inverse, 4 plus the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. So 4 plus 2, that would be positive 6.